Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to another Do Road with Dutty. G's and B, today I put on the something here on my face. Hold on, it is Keera Organics. The face and body bar, the face bar. I think this is a turmeric I use for my face right now. Hold on, I'm gonna show you it. So yeah, this is the turmeric I have on my face. From Keera Organics. I talk about it in one of my social media account down. I'm gonna put the information in the bio so you can check it out. But it really help my face, and I see I look already on my face. I look nice and them look something there. And yeah, so today I'm supposed to be going to Glam Gazette's taping. I can't wait for the book up Rennie and the whole crew down there. It's going to be at 8 AM if we get ready. Yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna be now and yeah, just tour road. Tune in. New episode of Do Road with Dutty.
Just a contour? Yeah, contour my lip?
No, I'm not.
Yeah, I need
and a lot of green juice.
That's what I don't do and I need to.
Yeah, don't lick green juice.
No, look it up.
That's it, there.
We'll walk going and can't talk.
I know you can't.
Could I be a cover boy?
Hey, hey.
Easy breezy beautiful. So this is look. What do you call this look? Watch makeup tutorial. So something about a look. This is like a business meeting. Then after I can go to an after party. Then take that look, transition into the after party look.
No, this is a makeup.
You want smoky eyes?
Yeah, them something like a transition. Yeah, them some of them say you have the look and it flexible. It can.
No, this is makeup, no makeup.
Oh,
right. Like you woke up like this.
oh, okay.
Yeah, one
of okay.
So why does one do myself to do something in a way say not coming?
Thank you, people. See there? Show you the before and after. What's your name, makeup artist? No, you talk about my vlog them, so clearly you know.
I'm Danielle, and I'm from D. Marie.
Oh, D. Marie Institute.
Yes.
Oh, see
You're
there?
familiar with it?
Yeah, man, familiar with it. Familiar with
So
it.
you tell them about graduation, October 28th?
No, you can tell them.
October 28th. October 28th.
October 28th.
Time goes by.
Graduation at Chinese Benevolent Association.
Alright. Watch Rennie. Watch her. This is Glam Gazette. Rennie, not Rennie 6:30. Even though she might have extra talent, we don't know of it yet. But we're here so she can dance and enter upon all these things.
You know what? I'm a Christian, okay? I'm a Christian.
Today? Where's the rest of it? Yes. No, they don't make me yet.
Mr. People, you want to do something with Dutty Berry and talk.
No,
You want to
listen.
talk about the Hickey on him neck when claims that Hickey at the time when he used
Yeah,
to
so
bleach,
I
when he
go.
never used to bleach.
There is no Hickey.
Hickey the on your neck.
There's no Hickey. Be it resolved. There's no Hickey on my neck.
This week on Glam Gazette,
So yes, we don't mean?
we have Nikki Z.
I'm tired of going to fashion shows and seeing designs from Jamaican designers where a thread is hanging off. It's embarrassing.
And Dutty Berry.
I always know some have the potential for sexy, but I never actually fulfill it.
Hickey on the neck. Let's talk about it.
No, Renee, look. Renee, look.
Tune in.
Where the? Point my finger. Where is it?
You know where you know
Let me help you. Let me help you out right now.
No,
No, you don't look.
Turn. Hickey up on your neck. Look there. You see the Hickey? It's right there, so. Right
Okay,
there.
get that pen.
The lies you tell.
May I tell you, say it's a cut.
Hickey up on your neck.
It's a,
Cut leaf scar. That's how that look like Hickey.
And then he said it's a cut, right? But yeah,
Limelight.
yeah, he said it's gonna be there next month. How a cut gonna? Cocoa butter has
You need to bleach it out.
You done?
The funny is, why do you can't talk in English?
but we can talk French. Andre toi. Como alligator. Alligator? How are you, alligator?
She don't know what she said. What did you say? Oh, so now you're getting French.
We're just going to listen to the conversation, sir?
Asante.
Where are we going?
Dora, Dora, Dora.
The Explorer.
Give me a sentence in Spanish. You must know
I
something.
don't know Spanish, I know French.
Alright, me hear
The
something.
white girl was always looking for boots.
Because she love protect herself.
She used to start looking for heels.
Let me love you with my heels on.
She used to start looking for heels.
These boots are made for walking.
Oh, so what's up,
We good? Alright, we good.
people must say, so you see, big mix up I got drop on TV and up on CVM.
Yeah.
And look where I'm at, I'm loyal to the team.
Yes.
You get me? There with Renee. Nikki's your best friend. No, Nikki's your best friend up on TV, on stage.
What's the mix up though?
We can expect a lot more, because we're not done yet. Enough more people are going to
Your best friend, Aisha, man, shall talk about.
What's the mix up?
About the Daniel D.I. thing and the foot hype thing and the Miss Lou thing. So.
We are not about that life. We are way above that life.
Huh? Oh yeah, so that is it.
Yeah.
We are way above.
When last time I was with your best friend, Nikki?
I think she's doing a damn good job on the street. I saw a show and them girls was going buck wild crazy, so she's doing something that's working.
When you return to radio, you'd love to have her on as a guest?
I play her music still.
Oh. Yeah, plead the fifth.
Listen, it's a job. Ain't no personal feelings at work. This is work. If the
Oh,
kids want to hear, are you going to hear?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Renee, what do you think about the equal rights video?
I see black.
Was that a video?
I have much to say.
I thought that was like that could go on porn.com.
Well, so the equal rights video are bring it to the
You
owner.
want to jerk off to it?
Where's the bring it to the bring it to the owner, our equal rights.
Owner, and I have nothing else to say.
Where's the Nikki's equal rights are bring it to the owner video.
Pull and slap it, owner.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, that's it, Aishana. We'll come again for 2018. Woo! They'll turn over in the seat.
May I create my outfit around that shoes that people who buy Nikki's issues I'm in a business.
Oh, wow.
She give me. Yes,
I've never worn it anywhere but on this set. Them borrow.
Some people next time with the shoes show people the shoes. Let me zoom in. Some people know. Some people. Some of them go say, oh, you're not Nikki's shoes.
I'm so what? I might want to know because you can't fit her.
You know, so she feel guilty the first time she wears a shaggy for show to you. So before somebody go say, oh, the shoes look so familiar.
No, here's the intro. Welcome to Glam Gazette. I want to thank Nikki Z for my shoes. Now let's see what's coming up.
Exactly, that's how you know it. That's how you know it.
When they got one dance and the selector say, if you don't say nothing about nobody close.
Take out something, fling it on the ground. Step up on it, cause you know you're one.
You low-key feel like a guilty. Yeah.
Show it off, show it off. If I your shoes, you're in a show it off.
Sorry.
Can't even get out.
I know you sneaky over there. Everything.
And you know him do so? Him ask you questions like he's not recording, and then he gets your response on tape.
Oh, are people like you good for reality TV?
Walkout right though? I was working on my ghetto walkout. Did I do it right? I did it good? I don't know if I can do it again because it's spontaneous.
Good as for them, cause you are good as for them. Good as for them, cause you are good as for them. Walk out with them. Walk out for them, yeah. Niggle eye, head up.
I can't turn on the AC now. I want you to do a boomerang.
Renee, not even up front.
You can't come off your vlog now.
No, I'm on the vlog. You just cost me some vlog. One post for one of them carry.
On them.
Oh. People think so.
My red underwear is showing. I know, guys. I know.
See, Nikki Z as photo.
Rich. Lucky Baba class, rich. That's how we did the rich machine. I will Uber this. I will lift it.
Video somebody care. Yeah, man, you see me a big star. Everybody know me. All big Busta Rhymes on stage have a call my name. Video me shoot them. You don't see how I shoot them brown like my skin. I shoot them brown, but no. Yeah, put the hype. Body's DJ. Nobody bigger than me. Tony Matron ain't big like me. Video me care. Somebody care.
Jesus Christ.
No care. My God.
They're bounty impression now. Me bounty impression.
Hell no. No, I don't mess with.
Alright, that's it, peeps. Thanks for watching this The Road with Dutty. Make sure that you like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment as well. And if you want to find me on my other social media, it is at Dutty Bear Show on Instagram, Snapchat, and all over. Take care until next time.
Yeah, me your bounty, yeah. It's a cross hungry miserable.
Yeah, come call my name. Don't call my name.
Come in a footer, come in a footer. Come in a footer, step to bounty.
You're not big like me, Bounty. What's the rhymes now? Call your name on big steel.
That's it, people. They're a mess.